dear students, today we are going to study missing digits and subtraction. This is the sum of subtraction. And the greater number, we all know that the greater number is known as minuend and the number which is subtracted is known as subtrahend, and the result we get after such subtraction is known as difference. Now, to find the missing digit in subtraction, we have to remember these terms. Suppose we have to find out the digit from this place, subtrahend place. What we'll do, we'll subtract difference from the minuend. We have to subtract both these terms, minuend and difference, then we get the subtrahend. And when we have to find the minuend, the greater number, what we'll do, we have to add subtrahend and difference, we get the minuend. Now let's do it with an example. This 3-digit number is given and we see that these numbers are missing. These numbers are missing. So what we'll do, here minuend and difference are given. So at ones place, this is ones place, tens place and hundred place. First we'll solve the ones place. At ones place, minuend and difference is given, so we'll subtract minuend and difference. But here 6 cannot subtract 9. So it will take borrow 1 from the neighboring number. Then the neighboring number 8 becomes 7. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So we get the subtrahend digit, that is 7. Now we'll move to the tens place. Here 7 minus 4. Simple, minuend minus subtrahend, we get the difference. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we get this place also. Now next the minuend is missing. So what we'll do, we'll add the subtrahend and difference. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So we get the minuend digit also. Okay. Now next, one more example. Start with the ones place, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Start with the ones place. Here the minuend place is missing. So what we'll do, 1 plus 4 is 5. So we get the 5 minuend. Then tens place, 6 minus 3, we get 3. 7 minus 5, 2. And the last is minuend missing, so we'll add the subtrahend and the difference, we get the minuend 4. Easy. Now next, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Start with the ones place. 8 minus 5, we get 3. We get the subtrahend digit. Now tens place, 5 minus 4, we get 1. Difference is given. Now in hundred place, 3 minus 1, 2. And the thousand place, 5 plus 4, 9. So we get the 9. Okay. Now borrowing numbers, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here the ones place, what we'll do, subtrahend plus difference is 7, add 7. Now in tens place, minuend is given and the subtrahend is missing, so we subtract 2 minus 8, but it cannot be possible. So 2 will take the help of neighboring number, it become 4 and 2 12 ban jayega. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, so we get the subtrahend digit. Now 4, next is 100 place, 4 minus 8, 4, it's not possible for 4 to subtract 8. So it will take the help of the neighboring number, but neighboring number is also missing. So what we'll do, it will borrow 1 from the neighboring number and give 1 as addition to it. 14 minus 8 is 6. And here 5 plus 2 is 7. Before putting 7 here, we add this one. So what we'll do, 8. We put 8 because 8 ने अपना 1 बॉल जो है वो 4 को दिया था, तो यहाँ पे 7 ही बचेगा, तो 7 minus 5 2 होता है. Understood? Now one more example of borrowing numbers. What we'll do? Here 7 minus 2, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 7 minus 2, 5. Put 5 here. Then tens place 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now how do we arrange this 10 here? What we'll do? We put 0 here and 1. What we'll do? 1 हम 100 place में से subtract कर देंगे. तो what we left? 8 is left. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay. Now next, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Start with the ones place. 4 minus 8, not possible for 4 to subtract 8. So it will take the borrow, help of the neighboring number, but neighboring number is also missing. So it will give 1 to it, and so 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 8. Why? Because 7 give 1 to 4 to make it 14, and here 7 left. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now 1 minus 5, next 100 place, 1 minus 5, not possible. So it give 1 to 1000 place, and 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. But before putting 6 here, see 1 carry, so 7. We put 7 here. Now next are the textual question of 4.2, page number 38, 27th. Again, we'll give places to each digit. 3 minus 8, not possible. So it will take the help of the neighboring number. 13 minus 8, so it become 5. So we put 5 here. Now 1 left, minus 6, not possible. So what will take? It take the help of the 100 place by giving 1 as 1 borrow, and then it become 11. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So 5 here. Now here subtrahend 3 plus 1 and difference is equal to 4. Before putting 4 here, we'll see 1 is already there. So we'll add 1 in 4. Next is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So we'll get the 5. So next question is 28. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 0 minus 4, not possible. Take the help of the neighboring number. 10. 0 become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6. 4 minus 1. Next tens place. 3. 3. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Here and 1. Subtract 1 from the 1000 place. Then become 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now next last question is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 2 minus 6, borrow 1 to 6 here. Now 2 again can't subtract, so it'll take the help of the 100 place by giving 1 as 1 as borrowing number. So 2 become 12. Again 6. Now 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Before putting 8, 1 is already there, so 9. Because if we subtract 1 from the 9, so it become 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then 4 minus 6 can't. Then take the help of the neighboring number. 14 minus 6 become 8. Last 8 left. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So I hope you understood all these questions very well. How do we find the missing digit in subtraction? Thank you. Good luck. Bye-bye.